Here in the heart of China, here in the heart of this city, is a small Seventh-day Adventist church. Just 10 years ago, there was no Adventist church. There were no Seventh-day Adventists. That's when Mrs. Fawn came to this city as a church planter to start a new group of believers. Mrs. Fawn tells how she was looking for a place to stay when she first came to the city. Someone sent her to Popo Dao. Popo, or Grandma Dao, had a room that Mrs. Fawn could rent. Before long, Mrs. Fawn had a small group studying the Bible, and Popo Dao was one of them. As they studied, she gave her heart to Jesus and joined the fledgling church. She let them build a small church on her family's property, but her husband wasn't ready to sign over the land. Mrs. Fawn tells how one day she was walking down the street when she saw that there had been an accident. When she got closer, she saw Popo Dao lying on the street in a pool of blood. They rushed her to the hospital, where the doctors said she wasn't going to make it through the night. So the church members held an all-night prayer vigil for Popo Dao. They cared about Popo Dao, but they also knew that if anything happened to her, they might lose their church. Popo Dao got well, and when she did, she and her husband signed over the land to the church. Today, Popo Dao is 79 and still worshiping in the church she helped build. And Sister Fawn, she went on to plant other churches in other areas. If you would like to learn more about how you can help plant new churches in unentered areas, visit globalmission.org.